Me heart a hot me but me have to play this on extreme yo guys. See what go on. Granny and Grandpa moves faster than you. 2 extra locks on the main door. Dark mode is on. Bumbo Clark. Like how they expect we to win this? Wow, this place is full of shit. Hear it? Like a real shit me at up in a brother. Look where place dog. How to see them? Seriously? Blood clot.
Me I got dead! Ah!
Alright, you look like me good. Finally me reach upstairs. Finally, me hear some footsteps out there. Bumbo Clark. Run! Run! Brother, this unfair. Me can't walk in peace. Me can't bother. Me I put the back pan hard. Alright, me think up here so clear. Bamba! Run! Run! In fast! In fast! Turn on. In fast! In fast! Jesus Christ. Bamba, look how man fast, brother. If you win this, you're bright. You know how long in there, so? Granny is playing the piano. Wow, she uses her pum-pum scratch to play the piano, guys. Them have microwave. Wheel. She a come. Why is she hear everything, brother? Should have. Run. Yes, round the table. I'm around the table. You ugly as fuck. She dropped something. Hurry up and go on the bed. Yo, you fast, I forgot about Asha. You fast as fuck. Yo. Ah! May I come out of this? Do this ras, cause I stress, brother. My heart a bust up. My heart a bust up. Shit, fuck.
No!
I feel my baby niece, dog. Nobody bash me.